Good morning, and thanks a lot for all my valuable viewers. We are progressing at a very fast speed. We have already crossed the benchmark of 11,000. We are jumping. Thanks a lot. Without wasting your time, I will continue from where I left last time. We were discussing leader and leadership. Who is a good leader? Atal Bihari Vajpayee is considered as a good leader. And the best leader is who can inspire his followers. And Atal Bihari Vajpayee, even his enemies will accept it that he is the person. He was able to inspire all the people to the extent people could sacrifice their lives by following him. And still people are there जो कि उनके आज भी भक्त हैं. So the person who is able to inspire the people, he is considered as a best leader. And then the second part is एक अच्छे लीडर के अंदर अच्छी लीडरशिप के भी गुण होने चाहिए. He must have those leadership qualities. What is this leadership quality? If one has to explain in one word, एक वर्ड में अगर लीडरशिप को एक्सप्लेन करने को कहा जाए तो लीडरशिप का मतलब यह है इन्फ्लुएंस. नथिंग मोर, नथिंग लेस. ए पर्सन who can influence the audience, who can influence the crowd, and the crowd is eager to listen to him, is having a quality that is called leadership. So same quality was available with so many, to some extent our Honorable Prime Minister also has got that sort of a quality. He too has got those ingredients of good leadership. And then it's, if somebody has to define, it is only influence. And then leadership means a visionary, a person who has got a vision. आगे की सोच सकता है देश के लिए, समाज के लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, वर्ल्ड के लिए, हर इंसान के लिए जो सोचने वाला आदमी है, जिसको आगे की जिसको सोच है, देश को कैसे आगे बढ़ाया जाए, समाज को कैसे आगे बढ़ाया जाए. The greatest example in the world is Alan Mark. He is considered to be a person as a great visionary. And then leadership, अगर आपका विजन तो है, you are a visionary. But if you don't have a capacity, you should have the capability and capacity to convert your vision into reality. So simply having a vision is not sufficient. आपको अपने विजन को रियलिटी में तब्दील करना भी चाहिए. हमारे देश में लोगों ने बहुत सारे विजनरीज लोग अपनी बात करते रहे कि हम देश में से गरीबी को हटा देंगे. बट दैट वाज यूज्ड एज only as an election propaganda. बट देश के जो गरीब हैं वो वही हैं. सो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ, अगर विजन है, अगर आपका सोच है, मनमोहन सिंह इज आल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज ए ग्रेट विशनरी. जो आज टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट कंट्री में हुई है, कहीं ना कहीं क्रेडिट मनमोहन सिंह को जाते हैं. He was a great thinker. He tried his level best, and to a greater extent वो सक्सेसफुल भी थे अपने विजन को रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करने में. एंड देन दी is to believe, act and work with perseverance for the betterment of society. Those qualities जिसके अंदर हैं. दैट इज़ वाई महात्मा गांधी को जो कहा जाता है कि आने वाली जनरेशन ये सोचते रह जाएंगी कि ऐसा भी कोई महान व्यक्ति इस धरती पे एक चमड़ी और हड्डियों का में हो सकता है। ही इज वर्शिप्ड थ्रू आउट दी वर्ल्ड। आप किसी भी कंट्री में जाइए, किसी भी कंट्री में जाइए, उनका स्टैचू आपको हर जगह मिलेगा। हर सब्जेक्ट पे उसने लिखा था, हर मैनेजमेंट हो, किसी भी तरह का कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो उसके ऊपर। एंड ही वॉज नोन फॉर हिज रेजिलियंस एंड परसिवरेंस। ये दो क्वालिटी थी उसके अंदर जिसके लिए आज उसको पूरे वर्ल्ड में पूजा। आई हैव सीन विद माई ओन आईज इन यूके there are so many libraries, there are so many places, where English people, they stand in front of a statue with closed eyes and folded hands without speaking anything. These are the two rare qualities which were available in Mahatma Gandhi. And everybody, those who are trying, those who have got, those who are blessed with those leadership qualities, and if these elements are missing, they must try to inculcate in them and transfer your vision for the welfare of the people and welfare of society. So what is that, what makes a man a good leader? There are 25 essential qualities that an individual must possess to have that great leadership. The first quality that he must have is he must have an integrity. Core quality of every leader must possess. No business can flourish without the integrity of the person. That's why in most of the public sector undertaking, जो बड़े बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं उनके अंदर इंटेग्रिटी पैक्ट किए जाते हैं। नंबर 1, आप करप्ट नहीं होंगे, आप हमारे आदमियों को करप्ट नहीं करेंगे। तो इंटेग्रिटी इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ गुड लीडरशिप। ए गुड लीडर इंस्पायर्ड बाय हिज प्रिंसिपल्स विदाउट कंप्रोमाइज। ये अच्छा लीडर, अच्छी लीडरशिप क्वालिटी वही है कि जो अपने फॉलोअर्स को इंस्पायर कर सकता है बिना किसी नॉट बाय एडजस्टमेंट, नॉट बाय कंप्रोमाइजिंग। कंप्रोमाइजर मीन्स corruption. That means you are compromising with your integrity. Refrain from shortcuts. Please do not use a shortcut. Shortcut means you are compromising, and compromise means a corruption. And how can you become a good leader? How can people worship you for your leadership qualities if you are compromising with your own principles? They do not make compromise with their principles. With this, I am finishing my lecture today, and the remaining 24 qualities which a leadership must possess, I will be discussing one by one in my lectures. Thanks a lot, with a request to kindly view my channel, like it, subscribe it, share it, and comment on it. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.